Hey guys, welcome. My name is Ray. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic man's haircut step by step. What I'm going to teach you here is going to be completely basic stuff. You don't need to be professional or you don't have to have any fancy equipment. My main purpose of this video is to teach you guys how to do completely basic man's haircut even at home. Please watch it until the end and hopefully you're going to learn something today. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, this is the hair I'm working with today, and I'm gonna do number 3 on the sides and back, and I'm gonna trim maybe 1 inch off the top and create a movement to the side. These are all the tools that I'm gonna be using today. Step 1, start with number 3, blade all the way closed. I'm gonna start right side of his head. So I'm going with number 3, not pressing too hard to the head and slightly going 90-degree in upward motion. This is a little demonstration on how you should move your clipper. So once you start to go in with the clipper, the main thing you need to focus on, you need to find a spot where head start to make a round shape. Instead of going along with the curve, you try to move away from the curve. So this is a very important part, guys. This is where you create the blend with the side and the top. Always protect the ear when you are running the clipper behind. Follow the same technique at the back like we did on the sides. One thing you need to remember is when you are cutting at the back, usually depending on the client's head, there is a bit of a triangle or the point. Once you hit the point, you try to move away your clipper from the head. Keep repeating the process until you get everything clean. Follow the same step on the left side as well. Like I said, keep repeating the process until you get everything cleaned. Go in with the number 2 lever close on the bottom part. Open a lever from the clipper to create a connection between number 2 and 3. Keep repeating the process on the both sides and the back until you get everything cleaned. Let's grab a trimmer to line up everything. Make sure the bottom part is short. You can do that with the help of a comb. When you are lining up, always try to keep it natural, don't try to go too deep into the hairline. Repeat the same process on the other side of the head. If it is hard for you to control a trimmer with your hand, here is a little tips for you. Hold the trimmer with 3 fingers. Rest 2 fingers into the head to balance your hand while lining up. By doing this, you keep your hand more steady, which is gonna allow you to create more sharper and smoother line. Like I said, try to keep it as natural as possible. When you are lining up at the back, try to stay as low as you can. Now I'm gonna spray some water and start working with the scissors. Once everything is nice and wet, I'm gonna grab a scissors and a comb and start by sectioning out the front. When you are holding a scissors, you must change the thumb position in and out of the scissors. Now I'll tell you how to cut with the scissors. Place your comb, grab the hair underneath the comb with your finger using left hand, if you're cutting with the right hand. Move your comb and finger in an upward motion simultaneously. Stop where you want to cut it and then start cutting. As you can see, I'm cutting all around the head by following the guideline that I created at the front. Now I'm cutting on a different direction just to make sure everything is even. Now at the front, never cut it straight when the hair is down. If you cut it straight when the hair is down, you might mess up the fringe and it's gonna be harder for you to style it later because the front part is going to be too short. Now separate the fringe from the side. Now I'm gonna take out this line by using scissors overcome technique. In this technique, you must hold your comb nice and steady. Keep repeating the process until you get it all even. Now we're done with the cutting part, it's time to style. Once everything is dry, I will apply some clay to hold everything in place. This is the final result. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you on the next one.